Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jonique, making it look unique, and in today's video I am going to be doing another pack with me. So as you can see behind me, I have my suitcase and I will be bringing you guys with me to pack. I saw on TikTok this new technique that you can do, and it's going to change the game of packing forever. So stay tuned for that. I am going to a secret location. I won't disclose it until you see those vlogs. They will be dropping soon. I'm super excited. Your girl need a vacation. I need a margarita, a pina colada in my hand. But don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and if this technique works for you, let me know down below in the comments. But let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the outfits that I planned out. When you are going out of town, you want to make sure that you plan out all your fits with the shoes, the bag, the accessories, so it will be easier for you when you are out of town to just pick up the outfit and go. So this is a dress that I picked out. This is an extra dress. It's good to have extra dresses. You never know if you might go somewhere or you might not like the outfit that you picked out. So this is one of my backup dresses. So next outfit, I am wearing this beautiful shirt that I got from Fashion Nova, and I'm pairing it with these ripped jeans. I love this outfit, and I'm going to tie it together with these simple shoes and my nice white Aldo bag that resembles Chanel. This is a cute luxury moment going on. This will be for one of the activity days. The next outfit I picked out is this two-piece set that I got from Fashion Nova. I really love the color on my skin, and this outfit is just going to be for a casual, simple day. I can pair this with white sandals, black sandals, brown, so it gives you a lot of options, but this is a simple fit for a simple day. Now, this is a photo shoot outfit. You have to bring those too. So I will be taking some pictures in these. These are really pretty. The Airbnb that we are staying in, it has a really nice room that I want to take a picture in. So stay tuned for these. I paired it with this brown shirt that I got from Fashion Nova and these leather pants that I got from Fashion Nova as well. So this is definitely a fit. Pairing it with the Steve Madden bag, you know, a fit is never complete without the bag. So this is really fire. Can't wait to wear this. Now, the next outfit I picked out is my very famous, like I really love this bag. So I paired it with the orange corset top that I got from Fashion Nova and some army green pants. If you didn't know, orange and army green goes together. I don't know what it is. It's just the vibrance of the orange looks really nice with the green and the army green, and I just decided to pair it together with this bag that gives you the options of orange, green, blue, and I just love this bag and just how holographic it is. Now onto the next outfit. This is a jumpsuit. I did wear this for my graduation, so I say, you know what, it's nice and fancy and elegant. And for one of the nights, we are going for a birthday dinner. We don't know where the location is, but we do have several options. So I brought this to wear this out. So I think this is really pretty. This would be a nice flowy jumper. So I did get this one from Fashion Nova. Just gonna pair it with black heels, keep it simple. Might use one of my white bags here because you want to recycle the bags, or a colored bag, just because you don't want to bring too much when you are going out of town. Next, I packed this bathing suit. I got this bathing suit from Zaful. I have yet to wear it. As you can see, I got this a long time ago, but it's really pretty. It is snake print. You can turn it inside and out, which is really cool. So it's the orange and then the print design. So I will be bringing this for our water activities. Next, I have this Child of a Sun. If you know, I got this from Fashion Nova. I paired it with these blue pants just to bring out the browns and the reds and the orange. So now we're going to start packing these in the bag. Okay, so next, if you haven't seen on TikTok, you can recycle your Shein bags and pack with them. So that's what we're going to be doing. I haven't tried it and I would love to try it out. So I have a big one and I have a small one. You can do small ones and just put each outfit or 2 outfits in one. But to just give, I don't have much bags, so I'm just going to put as much as I can put in the bigger bag and then just put the rest in the little bag. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. The video. I hope you enjoyed this video, or like I say, packing with me. I had super fun this time. It was a lot easier. Let me know down below, what type of packer are you? I usually wait last minute. I'm not the day of packing, but the night before packing, just because once I pick out my outfits and put a lot of thought into it, that's what I'm wearing and I'm sticking to that. I know there are some packers that once they pack, they keep going in and out, changing outfits. That's not me. But yeah, I had fun making this video. The technique really works, so definitely go try that out on TikTok using the Shein bags. It will save your life and save you a lot of time. You can squeeze as much outfits as you possibly can. But stay tuned for the rest of Nique-a-thon. I will be dropping some vlogs for the secret location, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna have a fun weekend, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.